Good morning, good evening, December 9th, Megan Mitchell here. And today I just wanted to talk a little bit about value and increasing your value both professionally and personally. There's many different ways that we can increase our value, but a short list that I think are really practical and that we can actually take action steps towards are: number one, be a lifelong learner. Actively seek out ways to improve skills that maybe you have a deficit in. People who are lifelong learners, they're leaders. Those are the people who are continuously improving, growing. Read a book, take a short class. Those of us who are in Victory with Ash are super excited about what we're going to learn, and I think some of these skills that I'm talking about are what we are going to be learning. Number two, increase your ability to effectively communicate. You know, when you seek out someone as a leader, you need to be able to communicate with them. They need to have excellent communication skills. I did a whole series on communication with the trial attorney and just some really practical things that you can do or stop doing to increase the effectiveness of what you're saying. So take the time to learn what maybe you're doing that is decreasing your effective communication. You know, as a leader, we have to be available. We have to be, accessible. We have to be willing to communicate with those in our network. Number three, be adaptable. We can't be rigid. We have to be able to roll with the punches, per se. We have to be able to adjust when things maybe get a little bit difficult. That makes us valuable. Others are going to be looking to you for answers, for encouragement. You can't be the person who pretends like the sky's falling every time something goes a little bit wrong. Adapt, problem solve. And then lastly, today I wanted to talk about being a leader, being someone who is a service leader. Practice acts of service for others. That makes you valuable. Not because you're wanting something in return, but because you just want to help people out. You know, those are the types of people that everyone wants to come to. Everyone wants to be around. A person they can count on, a person who has empathy, a person who will go the extra mile to help someone figure things out. Short and sweet. Put some of these things into action. Plant seeds today to make yourself more valuable for the future. Have a blessed day.